The state of Rajasthan come to be known by this name in 1949. It is generally believed that in 1808, George Thomas was the first person to call this region Rajputana, which is now called Rajasthan. Later on in 1829, the authors of Annals and Antiquities of Rajasthan, Colonel James Todd, named this region Rajasthan or Rajasthan. After India became independent and the unification of the various princely states of the region took place on 30 March 1949 AD, it was unanimously named Rajasthan. In the ancient legislation and inscription, we come across different names of different territories of the present day Rajasthan. Some areas were named after their geographical characteristics and others were named after the name of the communities living in there. Among the oldest names we come across in the Rigveda are Maru, Jangal, Matsya, Sursen. It is the terms Maru and Dhanvan have the same meaning, and both the terms were used for the area under the present Jodhpur region. Jodhpur was first called Maru, then Maruvar, and later on come to be called Marwar. The name Jangal was given to the land where Shami, Proposis Cineria, Care, Pilu, Sikri, Bikaner, Nagaur and the adjoining areas were called the Jangal Desh. Much which has been mentioned in the Mahabharata as part over the parts of Jaipur, Alwar and Bharatpur. Its capital was Viratnagar. Part of Bharatpur adjoining Mathura and the major part of Bhavalpur and Karoli formed the Sursen kingdom. This also was an ancient kingdom. It finds mention in the Mahabharata also. Some other areas named after their geographical features are as follows. The terrain of the Pratapgarh district adjoining the river Mahi was called Kanthal, riverside terrain. Because of its location on the Kanthal of the river, the middle part of Pratapgarh Banswara being a cluster of 56 villages was pronounced Chappan Ka Maidan. Bheswargarh to Bijolia for being was plateau was known as Uppermal. The area around Udaipur, a hilly terrain, was called Girva. The ancient name of the various areas of Rajasthan are Mand, Mewar, Marwar, Aravali, Pokhar, Maru, Mewar. The ancient name of Jaisalmer was Mand. Dungarpur Banswara region was called Wagar. Kota and Bundi region, Khadoti, and the region stretching across Sikar, Junjunu and Churu district was jointly called as Shekhawati. Thank you.